Hi everyone, welcome back to Wealth Guide. Listening to music is a common hobby to most of the people. We all love music, but how many of us actually know that we can earn a lot of money by simply listening to it? Surprised? Well, it's an easy task to do. In the next few minutes, you will come to know about it. Today, we will be discussing how to make $500 just by listening to music. Make sure you stay until the end of the video so that you don't miss this extraordinary strategy to procure money just by tuning into music. Number 5. Make a PayPal. You need to have a way of storing your money in your wallet, and this is where PayPal comes in. PayPal is a safe online wallet. An online wallet allows you to keep money that you earn digitally. Many online websites use this, and they use it as both a system of payment and a system to earn. You can also send money easily from one PayPal user to another. PayPal is universally renowned and it's legit. It's a system that will hold your money and allow you to make payments, receive payments, and withdraw into a bank account. PayPal is used by all of the websites in this video, so it's an important step. First, you're going to want to go to the PayPal website and then go to the top of the page and select Sign Up. You will then be led to a page where you can either go to create a personal or a business account. Select Personal Account and then click Next, where you've got to enter in your email address and password. And that's it. It really is that simple. Number 4. Go to Radio Earn. Radio Earn works exactly as the name suggests. You listen to music and earn rewards. This site is amazing because it works internationally across every single country, so anyone can use it to earn. They do all their payments through PayPal, so if you've already got yours set up, you're ready to earn. When you first open up the website, you can view live statistics on all of the members, listeners, and payments made. That shows just how popular and legit this website is. They have tens of thousands of members that are a part of their community, earning cash just by listening to music. Scrolling down, you can see a map of all of the listeners around the world. So let's start. First, you will need to register to Radio Earn. You can do this by going to the top of the page and clicking on Sign Up. It's easy to do, and you just need to enter in your email address and password. After doing so, you will have access to the dashboard. Once you open up your dashboard, you will see 3 radio stations. You will be able to select one of the 3 to listen to. On this website, you get paid for every 15 minutes of music you listen to. After you listen to 15 minutes worth of music, you will collect points. These points will then be redeemable for PayPal credits, which means cash for you. So let's take a look at all of the radio stations. There are many different genres to choose from. You have Top 100, News, Dance, Easy Listening, and more. That means you can listen to music to jam out to, or to just chill and do chores. The news option also allows you to earn when you don't feel like listening to music. So many options! To the right of the genres, you can view the traffic and see how popular each station is. To start earning, click on one of these radio stations. As soon as you click on one of the radio stations, a new tab will pop up. You will see your player at the bottom of the screen. Click on the play button and start listening. You will see a bar at the bottom that shows your progress, and it will tell you how many more minutes you need to listen to before your next payment, as well as how many points you already have. At the bottom of the page is a banner advertiser. This is how the website earns money, and they will take a portion of this income and give it to you when you listen to the music on the page. To start listening to music, go to the player and hit play. The music is great for listening to. It isn't that bad at all. Another great thing is that you can play this music in iTunes. Click on Open Stream in your player and it will automatically open up in your default player. And yes, you will still be earning this way. Number 3. Go to Cash 4 Minutes. Here's another way to earn money just by listening to music. Cash 4 Minutes is an interesting site that will pay you just by using your phone. You can use your phone to dial a number and they will pay you to sit and listen to a live radio broadcast. Think of it like you're getting paid to sit and listen to the music they put on while you're on hold. Easy, right? They will pay you directly to your PayPal account. This website pays you for monthly unused phone limits. It will allow you to make a test call to make sure you don't get charged, and then after that, you can call and set your phone down. So you really don't have to do much in order to earn through this website. It really can be that easy. So first go to the Cash 4 Minutes website, and then you're going to want to sign up with them. First you will set up a unique user profile and add all the numbers you'll be dialing from, and then you're going to want to access the numbers. With those numbers, you will choose one to call. The site recommends that you do a short test call first to make sure you avoid any charges, and then after you call and listen, you can earn. That's about it. It's simple, right? The payments on this site are speedy, so you can earn fast. You can choose to earn weekly or monthly, and they even offer different forms of payments such as bank transfer, Amazon vouchers, Bitcoin, or even sending funds directly to a charity of your choice. This website is very unique. You can earn just by using your phone, dialing a number, and listening to a radio broadcast. It doesn't get much easier than that, and you don't even have to listen to it. You can just set your phone down and let it play while you go off and do something else. This is a great site for passive income, and it is definitely something you should check out. Number 2. Go to Hit Predictor. Hit Predictor is another great website. With this one, you can rate music, answer polls, or shop prizes. But what we're going to be focusing on is the rate music section of the website. This is another great way to earn passively just by having music playing in the background while you go off and do something else. This site is a little bit different than the rest because in addition to listening to music, you'll also be rating the artists. This can be fun if you love reviewing music. It will also allow you to redeem points into Amazon gift cards as opposed to cash, but you can still benefit from that. You can order something and have it shipped to your home. It's great. First, to start, go to the Hit Predictor website, and then you will sign up and create an account. It's super simple to do. And once you're done with that, you can go to the top of the page and find the big orange tab that says Rate Music. Click on that button, and once you click on it, it will open up a tab in a new window. It'll tell you the name of the song and the name of the artist. And then after you've listened to it, you'll be brought to a page where you can rate the track. You can choose I love it, I like it, it's okay, I don't like it, or I hate it. However you feel about the song you just listened to, choose accordingly and then enter in a comment about the song. You can say anything you like about it, and then under that you'll see how many points you get for answering. Once you get points, you can redeem them for Amazon gift cards. It's great. You just listen, then you can buy things online. Doesn't that sound great to you? It's as simple as listen, rate, and earn. Number 1. Go to MusicXray. First on this list, MusicXray. You will still be getting paid to listen to music, but you will be receiving that music through email. It is just as simple and useful as the other websites though. First you will sign up and then they will send you the music. You will open up that music in your inbox and then click on the link that will lead you to a website where you can listen to it. Then you get paid. The first thing you need to do is go to the MusicXray website. There they have a video. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how their website works. It'll explain everything that you've got to do. And then go ahead and sign up for that service. This is absolutely free. Next, wait for the music to arrive in your inbox. You will then click on the email you received and find a link to a website. Then you've got to click on that link and find the website where you've got all the music that you've got to listen to. And then you'll get paid to listen to these songs all while supporting new bands and music that you'll be sure to love. To use MusicXray, just head on to Google and type in MusicXray and get paid to listen. That will bring you to a page that says Fan Match. That is where you will be led in order to start earning. When you get to that page, scroll to the bottom and click Sign Up for free. To sign up, they require your email, a username, and a password. All very simple. If you want, you can also sign up with SoundCloud, Google, Yahoo, or Facebook. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.